Hi, this video is from Budger Industries, and today I'm going to show you how to replace a mechanical seal on a Scot 50 pump. Tools you're going to need is a 9/16 block wrench, a 5/8 socket, and a standard flathead screwdriver. When you get the new seal, you should have a little lubricant pack that comes with it to help put the seal in. You're going to need a little bit of Loctite too for the locking nut or locking bolt on the impeller. So we're going to start off. Might be easier to bench it. So we're going to take the pump fluid off with the 9/16. Next, you're going to use your 5/8 socket to undo the lock nut on the impeller. Slide the impeller off. Remove the spring, and the rotary seal and the brass collar should slide right out. Next, you're going to remove the collar from the motor so you can undo the stationary seal that's placed into the collar. Should slide right off, and you're going to face it down and use your standard flathead screwdriver, and you should easily just tap it free. Should pop right out, no problem. You're going to want to examine the other seal at the bottom, little O-ring, and make sure the flat side is facing up. Now we're going to reassemble it with the new seal.